Hey there, Keto family. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special for you, 5 amazing keto breakfast ideas that are easy to make, super delicious, and will help jumpstart your day the keto way. These recipes are perfect whether you're new to keto or a seasoned pro. So, let's dive in. First up, Bulletproof Coffee. Hot beverage. This isn't just your average cup of coffee, it's a creamy, buttery cup of goodness that'll fuel your body and keep you energized all morning. Just brew your coffee. Add a tablespoon of grass-fed butter, a tablespoon of coconut oil, and blend it all together. It's like a latte, but way better for your body. Next, we've got Keto Egg Muffins Cupcake. These are perfect for those busy mornings. You can make them in advance and have a keto-friendly breakfast ready to go. Simply whisk some eggs, toss in your favorite veggies, and bake them in a muffin tin. It's high in protein and packed with flavor. Third on the list, avocado egg boats. Avocado cooking. Take an avocado, scoop out some of the flesh, crack an egg into the center, and bake it. It's creamy, nutritious, and oh so satisfying. A perfect keto combo. Then, we've got almond flour pancakes. Pancakes. Yes, you can still have pancakes on keto. These almond flour pancakes are light, fluffy, and low carb. Top them with a little butter and sugar-free syrup for the ultimate keto breakfast experience. And last but definitely not least, Chia seed pudding shaved ice. This is a perfect make-ahead breakfast that you can prep the night before. Just mix chia seeds, almond milk, and a little vanilla extract, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, you've got a creamy, nutrient-packed treat ready to go. Alright, now it's your turn to try these out. Let us know which one you're excited to make first in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing keto recipes. And hey, if you have any questions or want more recipe ideas, just drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. See you in the next video, and keep living that keto life.